Watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, yo, franchise is choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know it go already, a full effect thing. You know what go Gaza Nation when we load up, aim up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment and soon the big thing them. You know a loud explosion. Watch out, man. You know the people's champion. You know a Gaza favorite. You know a YouTube greatest, the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Him the Gaza Nation. Right about now, yo, we're not even gonna get mad. We're gonna get real intellect about now. Gaza Nation. First and foremost, what we need to know who give the police the obligation that Lizard dead and vybz kartel responsive murder. The public and the citizens of Jamaica need to know how the police come by such information. You hear me? Because right now, it look like it's either the police kill Lizard or them send him up on some witness protection shit. You know what I mean? Because listen to me now, people. Let's not get ignorant for a minute. Listen, people, remember, say vybz kartel, no do a particular show, right? And vybz kartel, after that, vybz kartel keep theme show. Asylum, blackout and shit. Remember, police run in there and mash up in there. Then vybz kartel start do that thing where him start. Keep theme local party in the club. The man them go and them terrorize that. The man have show for do all about a country. Every show the man go be a terrorism a go on. vybz kartel come out for interviewing people. I want to listen to me good, The youth come out for interviewing and a ball, to Jamaica, and the people and the citizens and the government, and even the police force, the man a ball for him life, same fear for him life, You see what I deal because the members of vybz kartel have whole heap of connection out there, And vybz kartel have police roll with him too, And the man them make him know boy half of him, And the man want to know for why, The man even tell the reporter, what interview him, Say them can come for him, come question him, And make it and settle this thing and find out what is what, my virgin. Remember the man I say all of them things there, For interview, I said them for come forward, come make him know what is what, Because I'm not a criminal, Him is an artist, The man make them know all of them shit there, I remember, people, Remember, up at the man hotel, them go pick up the man, for weed business, my virgin. Weed business where the man smoke in a hotel, I want to know who not smoke weed in a hotel. Who smoke weed like tourists in a hotel. And nobody not say nothing to them. Listen to what I say, Them go pick up the man up at hotel in my virgin. And when them carry the man go to jail in my virgin. When the man want bail in my virgin, them pin murder upon the man, And when the man get liar and go forget bail, them pin the next murder upon the man, A 3 murder them pin upon the youth, That mean the man can't get no bail, But just to show you how wicked them people is, Offer no evidence, my virgin. Them thing that I talk about, dog. Let me tell you something. All know, we not see, nobody, from the justice system come talk on the behalf of vybz kartel. Nobody from the politicians no come talk on the behalf of vybz kartel. Not even the artists, them know how what more them out, I don't know if I see what go on people. And we not hear nobody from Lizard family complain from them, say this guy dead until now, Nobody from Lizard family complain. It's like Lizard now no family. More know what go on. Yo, the thing shaky from morning and the people them now follow the thing. Yo, remember them come out, them say them have 2 guys who are witness. You see what I deal one claim them live over Portmore, the other one say him from Kingston, but him back and forth Portmore all him life and now him around 34-year-old. Him claim say him a go to Portmore from him a 2-year-old. And him claim say him aunt live over there and him go over there go visit and back and forth to and from. When them a look for him for question, him run away. The next one where them claim live over the apartment complex. You see me? The police them claim, say, them go over there and go look for him, And them not see him, but them see a local old lady downstairs. And when them ask her and describe him to her, she says she don't know nobody will live over there like that, Me just going to show you what kind of fuckery I go on, Now, the judge, asks the police, who tamper with the phone? Because it proven said the phone tamper with. The man say, Your Honor, it look like the phone call itself. Man, listen to them lollipop thing that what I tell you, No, you have this girl, we have big evidence on our phone, with big top case where I go on in a Jamaica, the biggest case where ever I go on in a Jamaica, And the girl go off America and last and claim say she lost the phone in New York City with the evidence on the phone. Yo, the two of them for underneath investigation, The two of them for underneath investigation, I fabricate evidence and thing and try to lock up the youth, all them shit, they are wickedness, my virgin. I want to not hear nobody. Yo, nobody not supposed to above the line, not even the Prime Minister himself, But it look like, say, only in some first world country the law run like that. Because here we are going. Them people are not do anything where them feel like and when them want to. Look from when Ivan gone, when Cuban send the government to give the people, Cuban government send the bulb them, the light bulb them to give the citizens of Jamaica. And the politician man take the bulb them and sell them. And them know, me I talk about some 12, 13, 14 years ago, all know him still there on the road and him not go to prison for it. Yo, you see all them people that I talk about where we elect and put in a position and get title and power and them shit there. Yo, you see when them people have broke the law, my friend, them forget more penalty than a normal civilian, Because these are the people where we put in place, for serve, lead and construct, in a proper manner, And when them do the law like that, where you think normal civilian for the outer road? Where you left them for do now? Eh? Where left them for do? And the government does kick back and the Prime Minister kick back and act like them thing you all ignore. Them not see what go on. Them not care what kind of shame one upon the country and disgrace. Them not care when nobody think of the country and the justice system what go on in the country. And the whole heap of police corruption what go on in the country. Because we want to know, who tell the police a lizard dead. We need to know how the police come by that. How the police come by a lizard dead and Vybz Kartel respond to the murder. Because if the police say, some people tell them say, lizard dead, and a Vybz Kartel respond to the murder, them people that should have come and court as evidence upon the man for point and say, yeah, we see you kill him. And there ain't nobody like that. First thing them do, for catch people them at Jamaica, I show you what them do, Them tell the people them, say them have new metal, where them get, from overseas, say them have new metal, where them get from overseas, for track phone and do all kind of thing, And tell the people them say, them have the evidence on the phone, them have the murder, On the phone, them say them have the video, they can't go back, go look back, them say them have the video, where the man I get murder, I hunger for find out, say I want to look a fake voice note, them having where them rig my roll, my brethren. And the youth still there prison, All the way you hear me talk about a be a lollipop shit, And then what me say now, we come out of them justice system and out of them own mouth, my friend. And people can't just sit back and allow them things to go on, Because them things are big lollipop thing, as we are say, if them can do that to a man we establish like Vybz Kartel. You can't imagine all some look up poor youth when nobody don't know, my friend. You just can't imagine some look up poor youth when nobody ever think about or even care about, my brethren.
Their Bernaise sauce here is the best in town.
And more want to know if the Prime Minister no feel a way about him country. All people are going to look on the system who are going in the country. Oh, nobody no business. As long as you want to reap, you want to reap. And go away. No, somebody, I want to know who are going to get all responsible for all of them shit there. Because people supposed to get all responsible for all of them shit there, you know. Remember, you know, the phone locked up in a cage in a police custody, you know. But yet still a tamper with. Eh? This girl have big phone evidence on her phone and it lost. So all the evidence, it's so fucking, it's so fucking lucky that all of the evidence them are lost off. And I get tampered with. And nobody don't know nothing at all. But vybz Kartel still get locked up because you don't know him kill the man. But you don't know nothing about who tamper with the phone. Now who that make call upon it. And you don't know where the phone is because you lost the phone. A big lollipop thing when I go on with it now. And me want to know, you know, right now, you know. All of them news reporter there, you know. And all of them news channel there, you know, and them shit there, you know. You don't need for go interview, you know, Mr. Onis, you know, and ask him what go on in the Justice Department, you know. Yeah, CVM, TVJ, you know what I mean? You don't need to go visit Mr. Onis and the brother them who run Jamaica when it come to entertainment report and all them shit, the ER and all them thing there. You know what I mean? Man like Winford and them man there, Anthony Miller, who supposed to go visit Mr. Onis and ask him what's that going on in the justice system. Because remember Jamaica, our country too. Ask him what's that going on in the justice system. Because I know what we are saying now. The news where come out of the justice system, you know, where everybody are hearing, and this are all hypocrisy. You see what I deal with? This is straight foolishness. Them things when me hear come out of the justice system are some look of mediocre gimmicks business. Do you think no poor youth at all can go in front of the court and tell the judge, say, it look like the phone call itself? You think that can happen? Eh? Do you think no youth from the ghetto could have in no trouble? And one time them rain down upon him, in ball and said the evidence where him did have, the phone where him did have evidence upon it last in New York City. Eh? Eh? Yo, I'm going to certain people the law goes, alright? All of who fabricate all of them things, first thing the Prime Minister supposed to want to know how the police come by the obligation say Lizard dead and his vybz Kartel responsive murder. And whosoever tell you no, oh, we never see them take this testify stand and testify against him. Oh, vybz Kartel get locked up a prison for them thing there. Who no hear him a ball and a beg and for help because I know them a target him. People tell him have connection all over. The man a ball and the man come out for interview and make the reporter know him fear for all him life. To the way all the man them a take set upon him. Every state show him go them a come lock off and a disrespect the people them who go there. You see what I deal with? Every party, everywhere the man go a beer red and them thing they are going. The man a tell you no. And who did stand up with him and sit to it as well then? Find out what is what and all them shit. Because the man go as far as make you know. Say, if him do something wrong, you come forward, come make him know. Because he's an artist. The man a wrong doer. And nobody never take the youth side. And let me tell you something. It's not even 2 months after that them come hold on upon the man. And them hold on upon the man, me say, you know, for weed smoking in a hotel, you know. Can't go to jail, you know. By the time him talk about bail, them say one murder, you know. Him get lawyer and ask to be another murder, you know. Him get more lawyer, more bail bills, and next murder, 3 murder them put on him, you know. That mean him can't get no bail, you know, my virgin. And the people them a go like them a joker, you know. And I see a fuck with them do to the youth, you know. I eat that thing when I go out with, you know. Nobody not above the line, you know, my virgin. And Mr. Onis act like him no remember who named Vybz Kartel. And when Mr. Onis win the election, you know, him put on new brand clocks, you know, and say real bad man no muggle in a shorts, you know. And use the man thing and win election, you know. And the first thing him tell the people, them, you know, say if him win election, him a go look into Vybz Kartel case. Him say when him win, and not me say it, him say it out of him own mouth. When him win the election, him go look into Vybz Kartel case. I'll know the man still a look out in a Gaza nation. Nothing in, you know. What? Wicked.